the comprehensive guide to data processing. Who decides what your computer does? Have you ever wondered what exactly happens behind the screen when you click a mouse, type a command, or render a complex video sequence? While your computer might seem to operate on its own, every single action is the result of a highly orchestrated system of data processing. Here is a breakdown of the key players that decide exactly what your machine does, split second by split second. 1. The ultimate commander, you the user. Before any internal component fires up, the sequence begins with you. Whether you are running a complex SQL query, writing a script, or editing a timeline, your input is the raw data that sets the entire system into motion. The computer acts strictly on the commands you feed it. 2. The master coordinator, the operating system OS. Think of the operating system like Windows, macOS, or Linux as the project manager. It does not do the heavy lifting itself, but it translates your human-level commands into a language the hardware can understand. Resource allocation. It decides which application gets access to the memory and processing power. Hardware management. It ensures your mouse, keyboard, and storage drives are all communicating seamlessly. 3. The executive decision maker. The central processing unit, CPU. The CPU is the undisputed brain of your computer. Once the OS passes down your instructions, the CPU executes them. The fetch-execute cycle. The CPU continuously fetches instructions from the system's memory, decodes what needs to be done, executes the mathematical or logical operation, and outputs the result. Billions of calculations. Modern CPUs perform billions of these cycles every single second, translating raw binary data into the smooth visual output you see on your monitor. 4. The active workspace. Random access memory, RAM. The CPU is incredibly fast, but it needs data fed to it instantly. RAM acts as the high-speed workbench where the computer stores the data it is actively using right now. If the CPU is the brain, RAM is its short-term memory holding onto your active project files and background applications so the CPU does not have to waste time digging through the main storage drive. The flow of processing. To summarize the journey of a single action. 1. Input. You click a button. 2. Translation. The OS translates that click into an instruction. 3. Storage to workspace. Relevant data is moved from your main storage, SSD/HDD, into the RAM. 4. Execution. The CPU processes the data from the RAM. 5. Output. The result is pushed to your screen, rendering the final image or completing the task. Keep expanding your tech knowledge. Understanding the architecture of your hardware and software systems is the first step to mastering your digital workflow. If you want to continue exploring the mechanics behind computer networking, hardware infrastructure, and digital creation, make sure to subscribe to Still Video on YouTube. Join our community for high-quality, professional breakdowns of the technology that powers your world.